Hello friends, today we are learning 6th standard maths algebra. In algebra we are learning equation. In equation we are learning linear equation. Linear means one. So one variable equation we are learning linear equation. First we will see the definition of equation. An equation which has one variable and the highest power of the variable in any term of the equation is 1. It's called linear equation in one variable. So we are learning equation with one variable. Here I written a equation 2x is equal to 10. Now what is this variable? Any alphabet which we are using, that is called a variable, and that is also one variable. So only one alphabet we are using, it's called one variable. Here the second example we take x plus 7 is equal to 10. This is also equation, and variable is x. Here also variable x. X means any alphabet A to Z. You can use any alphabet A to Z. So that is called the variable. Now what is the highest power? The highest power, what is being mentioned here? 1 is the highest power. If you see, the power of x is here is nothing, means 1. The highest power of the variable is 1. Here also nothing means highest power of the variable is what? 1. So this is called linear equation with one variable. Linear equation with one variable. Now in equation we are seeing two parts. This is 1 and this is 2. In between we written here is equal to sign. It means that this part and this part both are equal. That's why we written here is equal to sign. So this part is called LHS. What is LHS? Left hand side is equal to RHS, right hand side. If you solve the equation will is equal to, both should be equal. The value of this both is equal. That's why LHS is equal to RHS. So what is the equation here? 2x is equal to 10. So what is the variable? X. What is the power? 1. Here x plus 7. This is LHS, left hand side, and this is RHS, right hand side. If you solve this both, we will get the same answer. LHS is equal to RHS. This is called the equation. Now how to solve the equation? We will see some examples. Here I written some examples. X minus 3 is equal to 8. X plus 3 is equal to 12. X divided by 3 is equal to 5. And 2x is equal to 10. First we will take x minus 3 is equal to 8. X minus 3 is equal to 8. Now we are solving the equation. How to solve the equation? If in LHS or RHS, x minus 3 with variable x minus 3, if this 3 we shift to the right hand side. Here minus 3, when you shift to the right hand side, the minus became plus. The minus became plus. So here x is equal to 8. This 3 we shifted to the right hand side. It is called transporting method. We are transporting 3 to the RHS. When you transport minus 3, it became plus 3. Now x is equal to 11. X is equal to 11. It means the value of the variable is 11. Now we will substitute the x with 11 and we will check the answer is right or wrong. Substitute the x by 11. X minus 3 is equal to 8. The value of x is 11. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. So 8 is equal to 8. Here we solve the equation. The value of x is 11. How the value of x is 11? Here with the substitute method, transporting method, we find the value of x. When the x value is 11, so substitute the 11 in the place of x. We substitute the value here. So x means 11 minus 3 as it is equal to 8 as it is. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 8. So here we solve the equation. Now second example we will take x plus 3 is equal to 12. X plus 3 is equal to 12. X plus 3 is equal to 12. Again, with the variable plus 3, the left hand side 3 is going to the right hand side. It means when here is plus sign, so it became minus when it goes to the right hand side. when it goes to the right hand side. X is equal to 12. This 3 we are transporting to the right hand side. So plus became minus, and this 3. X is equal to 9. Now the value of variable here is what? 9. Now we will substitute the x with a 9. X plus 3 is equal to 12. Substitute the x with 9 because value of x is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 12 is equal to 2. So this is our equation solved. We will go for the next question. The next question is x divided by 3 is equal to 5. X divided by 3 is equal to 5. Here the equation is x divided by 3 is equal to 5. Now here is division sign. It is a division sign. When division is there in left hand side, when it goes to the right hand side, it became a multiply. Division, when transported to the right hand side, it became a multiply. So here, when you transport this 3 here, it became a multiply. So x is equal to 5 multiplied by 3. X is equal to 15. The value of x is 15. Now we will substitute the value x by 15. X divided by 3 is equal to 5. X substituted by the 15. As we find the answer, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 3 ones are 3 5s. So 5 is equal to 5. Again, this equation also is solved. 5 is equal to 5. Right hand side is equal to left hand side. We will go for the next example. The next example, 2x is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10. Now here the variable x with the 2, it means multiplication sign 2x. When multiply is there, when it goes to the right hand side, it became divide sign. It became divide sign. So 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 upon 5. As it is a multiply, 10 upon 2. As it is a multiply, it became 1. When transported to the right hand side, it became a divide. X is equal to 2 1s are 2 5. The value of x is 5. Now we will substitute this value with 5. 2x is equal to 10. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10 because we substitute the value of x here 5. So in the place of x is 5. So 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10 and 10 is equal to 10. So here we solve the equation. RHS is equal to LHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So what we learn here, linear equation we learn. In linear equation, we learn with a one variable. Once again, what is the definition? An equation which has one variable and the highest power of that variable in any term of the equation is 1. So the highest term is how much? 1. So it is linear equation. It's called linear equation in one variable. In one variable. So we see in the equations, power is what? Nothing means 1. So one variable equation it is, and we are seeing that always LHS is equal to RHS. Always LHS is equal to RHS in linear equation. So we taken some example and we solve the problem. Thank you.